Ayubowan, as a close friend of Nimal for well over half a century, it is an honor to say a few words on the occasion of launching of his most recent publication, Avaragiratha Chamatkaraya. Recently, I witnessed the setting sun from my balcony. It was a breathtaking scene with the sun making a splendid show before descending before the horizon. Unexpectedly, at that very moment, dark clouds began to gather in the western sky. Then it dawned on me that we, who were born in the 20th century, are also gradually heading in the direction of the setting sun over the Avaragira and the dark clouds. Nimal's latest work begins with his birth and childhood days in Valapane, later heading towards Kandy for education, and much later to Colombo in the mid-60s for employment in the insurance corporation. The insurance corporation was only a launching pad for Nimal. There were many other institutions he served admirably. What is important was not the institutions he served, but the endless friends he made over the years, who continue to be his friends till this day. I was privileged to make friends with Nimal at St. Mary's College, Ampitiya, later known as Beravad's College. As the fate would have it, Nimal and I formed a close relationship. The red bicycle he refers to in his book, which I used to pedal from Kandy to Ampitiya, may have contributed to some extent to our friendship. Their home at number 344 Maddegama, Ampitiya, was a second home to me, and over the years I practically became a member of his family. In his book, Nimal refers to my career in the Sri Lanka Foreign Service. What he failed to mention was that without his shepherding, I would have ended up as who knows what. In fact, it was he who persuaded me to seek higher education. At a time, my sole ambition, was to join the technical college in Kandy. It was he who introduced me to Venerable Amunukama Sri Vipasiteru, then Anunayaka of the Malvatta chapter, and persuaded me to enter the privately conducted university entrance class located at the Sangaraja Pirivana. For my good luck, the Venerable Thero repeated the favor done by Nimal by personally taking me to the Vidyodaya University, currently known as Sri Javardhanapura University, lobbied the Senate, and got me enrolled one full semester after the academic year had commenced. The rest is history. Nostalgia is something described as a sentimental longing or wistful affection for the past, typically for a period or a place with happy personal memories and associations. Reading Nimal's book, I could not help being overcome by nostalgic feeling about my school, Beravad's College, the scenic Kandy town, and the lakeside road we used to walk to and from the school without even stopping to appreciate the beauty of the surroundings. Looking back, more than half a century later, one cannot but feel the need to lean and touch the years that have gone by. Nimal started writing when he was still a teenager. Today, in his 70s, there are countless books he has written, short stories, novels, and books that help professionals, etc. Today, living in Australia, he has many responsibilities which are difficult to describe. Yet, Somehow, he still finds time to write and publish, which publications like the Avaragira Chamatkarya takes us back to our rural roots, remind the hardships we endured growing up, personal achievements we have made, and a lot more. I confess I am not an avid reader of books anymore. Somehow, without my knowledge, the computer and the internet have staked their claim and taken over my life. However, I found Nimal's book interesting enough to read cover to cover in one sitting. I am thankful to him for taking me back to an era that I have unintentionally begun to forget. I wholeheartedly wish Swarna and Nimal best of health and a world of happiness. Thank you.